Hi everybody, it's Robin from Talks from the Heart. Ooh, my Filofax arrived, and you know, I'm gonna unbox it with you guys, and here's why. Because when you're looking to buy or invest in a new product and you've never had one, the best way that I research it is through YouTube videos. So that is where I learn. I'm like, oh yeah, I like that color, or I don't. So I ordered this A5 rings from Amazon. That, I'm going to tell you, is my favorite way to order stuff, only because it's such easy returns. Especially if I open this up and I'm like, meh, don't like it, don't care. So this is a box, obviously. Came in an outer packaging. I'm excited. So I'm really excited to start using an A5 rings for my household planner. So obviously this was packed with care. So I really try to keep the integrity of everything until I decide that I want to keep it. And let me get you a better camera angle. All right, I think that's about as good as I'm gonna get for this video. Okay, so it's made in the UK. It's kind of like a patent leather look. I absolutely love this right here, that little button. It's kind of a black enamel with a clear overlay, and it just says Filofax, the original. And I'm going, hopefully that's better light. So I'm gonna leave this tissue on, and so it has a snap closure. This is really soft, and the edges are sort of finished. It's really soft. Okay, so this is kind of a plastic overlay, then with some tissue. I'm not gonna get it all in camera. So I'm not really gonna get it all in camera, and I'm no cinematographer, so we're just gonna proceed here. So this is the Filofax original. I'll link it below in the patent nude in the A5 size. So the first thing I'm gonna check is, I always, when I get rings, is I always just check the ring connection, and that would be a reason for me to return it, is if the rings don't connect or there's kind of snaggy, and they're not. And then this inside is kind of like a soft kind of suede. All right, so let's show this. And I have a gold ollie clip very very close to me. So that's kind of what I'm gonna do, is put an ollie clip maybe up here in this slit, and all right, and then I'm gonna get asked, I know I am, will a TWSBI or a fountain pen fit? This is a very generous belt loop. This is a very generous pen loop, so I'm look at how easily that slipped in, and then a Papermate Joy. These are kind of sticky sometimes because they're kind of rubbery right here. So it's a really generous pen loop, which I'm happy about. This can also serve as a pen loop for a secondary pen. And I'm gonna say it's much tighter, but it still works. It just takes a little work to get it in there, okay? And then it's embossed here. Oh my goodness, you guys, this color is just amazing. All right, so the other side then, oh, they gave me a notepad, is a notepad holder. Cool. But you know, I'm not getting a very, you know what? I'm gonna do this really quick, and then I'll pan it with my, not in my tripod. Okay, so we have dividers, yay, because I didn't want to spend a lot of money on dividers, that I can relabel here with my label maker. Then we have paper in, we've got to-do lists or line paper, then grid paper, plain paper, and then colored paper in pink, green, and blue that's lined, and then with a contacts list, which is great because that's one of the things that I want to keep in here. And then we have, in numerous languages, we've got weekly vertical timed layouts. Is that a fancy way to say? Yeah. I'm not going to use these. I absolutely do not do well with weekly layouts. I ain't that busy, you guys. And I do that in my B6 Stylogy. So, and I know ain't is a word, isn't a word, but I was trying to be sassy. Okay, and then we have the ruler in the plastic. Something smutsy. Oh, it was on my hand. Okay, so that you can pop in and out as a page keeper. Oh, I like that. And then this plastic sleeve is all one big plastic sleeve. I like that because I might move that to the front and create a pretty dashboard. So I am going to let's see. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is just, and then here's the spine. This is just lush. I mean, and I had a Simple Stories one, and I really tried to use it. I really, really did, you guys. And I couldn't stand how squishy and fat it was, which is why I think I'm attracted to the Louis Vuitton GM rings, because it's kind of flatter. Even this is a little squishy, the Moterms. So I really wanted to try the, and it was recommended to me by Catherine at Sterling Ink. I really wanted to try the kind of more thinner look. Okay, so I'm gonna get this off so that I can get a good picture for you guys, because I'm keeping this baby. She's staying. Okay, so let me take the camera out of the tripod and I'll one hand film it for you. Oh, okay, so you can't look at my dirty desk, but this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. The snap is sturdy. It's not, see how it has flexibility? I absolutely was not liking how my Simple Stories one was just really fat and kind of just super, super stiff. Oh, I love it. Okay, I'm getting a horrid angle. Okay, so, and then this is just great. And then of course that's a pocket. And then I love the idea. And then this is a pocket. I love this idea with the notepad. And you can actually get notepads cut down. Just buy cheap legal pads and then just have them cut down to size. So that would be great too. So I think that's about it, you guys. Happy, happy, happy with this purchase. Okay, so yay, yay, yay. And these do come in a lot of different colors. So I will link the one below, and if you follow that link, then you'll see all the different colors. Just watch your sizes if you're gonna buy from Amazon. So I think that's about it for now. I gotta get ready for work and feed Cooper before I go. And there she is. We like her. All right, thanks everybody for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and always enjoy today. Bye everybody.